Creature feature is brought to you by the Ecotarium in Worcester, Massachusetts. Today's featured creature is the Asterias forbesi, otherwise known as the Forbes sea star. The species Asterias forbesi is from the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Echinodermata, the class Asteriodea, the order Versipilitata, the family Asteridae, the genus Asterias. The body of the Asterias forbesi is a centered disc-like structure where its 5 arms branch from. The underside of it is referred to as the oral surface. On the oral surface, you will find its mouth in the center and the umbilical grooves that radiate from the mouth to the tips of their arms. Across the oral surface, there are disc-like suctions that allow them to grasp onto rocks. The opposite surface is referred to as the arboreal surface, which tends to be rough and grooved. There are also small fixed spines that are extensions of the calcaneus endoskeleton. The Forbes sea star can be found in shallow waters and intertidal areas. It lives between the Gulf of Mexico and the Gulf of Maine. Rocks help prevent the organism from washing away, and they tend to favor oyster beds owing to an availability of food. They can also be found in the beds of clams, scallops, and mussels. They rely heavily on chemoreception to navigate their environment and can utilize different orientation paths for different odors. They are carnivorous, preying largely on marine worms, crustaceans, gastropods, sea urchins, and mollusk bivalves, such as mussels, clams, and oysters. They compete with farmers and fishermen for mollusks, and will be removed in instances of overpopulation. They lack many natural predators owing to their calcified skin. However, some types of crustaceans and fish still prey upon them. Despite this, the Asterias forbesi is nowhere near extinction.
It has to be able to cope with changing temperature, changing exposure, things like that. Some key adaptations. Well, they have to be able to hold on. So they're tube feet, which is that's a feature of the entire phylum. They have tube feet that they can use to hold on to things. They also use them for movement. They are part of their gas exchange surface, and they use them for opening up their prey. So multifaceted. So that's a big thing. The tube feet have these multiple functions, which are a very big deal for starfish.
Asterias forbesi is successful in its environment, as it has a hard calcified back to protect it from predators. It has tube-like structures on its oral surface to assist in motion and to help it hold onto rocks to protect from rough Atlantic waters. And the tube-like structures assist in opening shelled prey such as mollusks.